In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code with the AI chat panel. First, start by opening the file you want to edit so it's visible in your editor. Having the file open helps the AI understand the immediate context, like the functions, imports, and patterns already in place. If you're working across multiple files, don't worry, we'll add more context in a moment. Next, open the AI chat panel. You can click the chat icon in the sidebar or use the shortcut CMD plus L on Mac OS and Control plus L on Windows or Linux. The panel will slide in so you can converse with the AI without losing your place in the code. When you write your prompt, reference the specific file you want the AI to consider. Type the @@ symbol followed by the file name, for example, @utils.py, and you'll see search suggestions as you type. Pick the exact file you need. This tells the AI to read that file as context before it responds, which leads to more accurate suggestions. If your request spans multiple files, mention each one with add so the AI can see the bigger picture. Alternatively, you can drag a file directly from the File Explorer into the chat input. This is especially helpful if you're unsure of the exact file name or path. Dropping it in adds the file as context, so the AI can analyze its content while preparing your answer. Now, type a clear, detailed request in the chat input and send it. Be specific about what you want changed and why. For example, you might say you want to refactor a function for readability, add input validation, optimize a slow loop, or write unit tests for a particular module. Mention relevant files with @add and point to particular functions or sections if you can. The more precise you are, the better the result. After you send your request, the AI will respond with suggestions or an implementation plan tailored to your codebase. It might outline the steps it will take, propose refactors, or provide code snippets to drop in. Read through the response carefully to make sure it matches your intentions and coding style. When you're satisfied, apply the suggested changes to your codebase. If you're unsure about a larger change, consider applying it incrementally and testing as you go. That's it. Open your file, open the chat, add context with @ or by dragging files, write a detailed prompt, and then review and apply the AI's suggestions with confidence.